There are basically everything that we should consider while making this very journey more lucrative. I must be very honest to you people that the journey to restore Biafra is becoming more mandatory on daily basis. It's left for those who want to understand the game. But one thing that we should all consider here is this: that the honest truth and the bunch of truth that we should all imagine is the configuration of the dearly beloved zone. You see, we are people who have been so much kept behind bars, kept behind jail for long. And you know one thing I love about Ohamadik? Ohamadik said something. He said he will never beg for his freedom. See, I want to drinking I don't know the kind of courage this man has. He's not even in a haste to come out of the prison. Even after developing ear problem, some infection, he's not even in a haste to come out of the prison. Just for the same people. Well, let me don't even generalize it. Mana nwoke ekwechirigo nọ na ebe na-aga nwoke ekwechirigo nwoke a sị na enweghị ihe jikọrọ ya na mmadụ ọkwa nke bụ eziokwu. Honestly speaking, maka na ife a na-akọwa kamgbe na ọ na-edozikwa anya ọ na-afụ ya. Yes, he's not even in a haste to come out. As you already know, this man is not in a haste to come out. So we should all see this thing from the light of knowing that this man will not fail his people. And every struggle that we are making to see a reliable Biafra must be one that must be considered. That's just the honest truth. Yes, that is just the honest truth. We must look ourselves from different angles and tell ourselves the truth. We must tell ourselves the truth in everything we are doing. Because the biggest thing that I must say here is that there is a man who is behind bars, going to 3 years now, who celebrated his birthday last week and has refused to give up on his people. So what is the spiritual benefit? We must help ourselves in every way we must do. So everything we are going to do must be considered the way it should be. And that is looking at Nnamdi and telling him that, brother, you are doing well. That's just the biggest truth. So let's manage the relationship that we already have now, so that things will continue to play out. We've lost people in the struggle, and of course, it's more like since the capturing of Nnamdi Kanu, nobody's talking about Biafra again. In fact, Biafra is now gradually becoming an old topic. But what is the quest for the new generation of Biafra? These questions have been left unanswered. We must put ourselves in that very circle where we should immediately understand the greater effects of what should be and what should not be. We should be in that very circle. Because however loud it is, however way they want to put it through, more reason we must engage ourselves in that very circle where we can play out the good game. And if we should do it, we can communicate vertically in one spiritual mindset. That's the only benefit we can have. So as we push through and as we make waves in every of our areas, let's don't forget that so many sacrifices have been made from the days of Ojukwu to the days of Nnamdi Kanu. Because that is the only benefit that will put us in the circle of what we wish for ourselves. Biafrans must rise to convert what should be converted immediately, because international relationship is the paramount, where everyone must be where they want to be. Because if we are not where we want to be, if we are not in the ministries of putting ourselves together, then a lot is going to shake at the end of the day. As we fight professionally, undoubtedly, and communicating in the ways that should be put across, then let's understand the greater meaning and the greater effects of who we are. One of the biggest struggles of life is what? Knowing that Biafra must come to pass. And we're going to put everybody that we should put in there. That's just it. We need to put everybody that needs to be put there to make that come to pass. We cannot continue to be scared of our enemies. And the more we get scared of our enemies, things will definitely not go as planned. The journey to restore Biafra is becoming more open. Very, very open. If we must tell ourselves the truth. We cannot be cowards in the midst of those who think they have already gotten a chance over us.